say goodbye to tingling hands and shaky legs. Here are 8 collagen-rich snacks you'll want to add to your day. If your hands keep going numb, your legs feel unsteady, or your joints don't move the way they once did, your body may be lacking something important. And no, it's not an expensive pill or a fancy treatment. It often comes down to what you're eating. Most people hear the word collagen and think of skincare or beauty products. But after age 60, collagen becomes far more important. It's the glue that keeps your joints stable, helps your nerves send signals properly, and allows you to move without constant aches or discomfort. In today's video, I'll share 8 delicious snacks packed with collagen that can help ease tingling in your hands, restore strength in your legs, and help you feel more like yourself again. They're easy to prepare, taste great, and are supported by research to help your joints, nerves, and energy levels as you age. 1. Dark chocolate. Midnight clusters. Let's start with something that almost sounds too good to be true: chocolate. But not just any chocolate. I'm talking about real, rich dark chocolate, the kind loaded with powerful plant compounds that help your body repair itself from the inside out. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned researcher who studies how food supports healing, says dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao is one of his top choices for boosting collagen and supporting the body's natural repair systems. So what makes it special? Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols and proanthocyanidins. These compounds help reduce inflammation, protect DNA from damage, and support the body's ability to regenerate healthy cells. That means healthier skin, stronger joints, and a better chance of staying mobile and independent as you age. But here's the important part: not all chocolate counts. Sugary candy bars won't help. You want the darkest chocolate you can find, ideally 70–85% cacao or higher, with very little added sugar. If it's labeled single origin, even better, since it's often purer and richer in beneficial compounds. To turn it into a collagen-supporting snack, gently melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate. Stir in a handful of roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Spoon small portions onto a plate or into molds and chill until firm. 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Gelatin is often thought of as just a dessert ingredient, but it deserves much more attention, especially as we get older. Gelatin is essentially collagen that's already broken down into a form your body can easily absorb. It's rich in glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact amino acids your body needs to rebuild collagen and repair tissues. Research shows that people who regularly consumed gelatin experienced significantly less joint pain over time. That kind of improvement can make walking, standing, and moving around feel much easier. To make this snack, warm 1 cup of unsweetened juice, such as cherry or pomegranate, without boiling it. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until fully dissolved. Add fresh berries for vitamin C and chopped nuts for healthy fats if you like. Pour into molds or a shallow dish and refrigerate until firm. You'll end up with a soft, easy-to-chew snack that supports joint flexibility, reduces stiffness, and helps your tissues stay strong. 3. Chicken bone. Broth bites. Bone broth may sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful natural foods for joint and nerve support, especially after 60. When chicken bones are simmered slowly, collagen breaks down into gelatin and amino acids that support cartilage repair, connective tissue, and nerve health. To make it, simmer leftover chicken bones with water, a splash of vinegar, and vegetables like onion, celery, and carrot for about 8 hours. Strain the broth and let it cool. As it sets, it becomes a gel that's concentrated collagen. Warm a small portion, add lemon juice and fresh parsley, and enjoy. Even half a cup a day can help reduce stiffness, support smoother movement, and improve overall comfort. 4. Cantaloupe mint bites. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, and without it, your body simply can't make enough collagen. Cantaloupe is rich in vitamin C, providing nearly 2/3 of your daily needs in just 1 cup. That makes it a powerful addition to your routine. Cut cantaloupe into bite-sized pieces, add fresh lime juice, toss in mint leaves, and sprinkle with chopped pistachios. This refreshing snack supports hydration, collagen production, and joint flexibility. 5. Tomato caprese. Snack tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and lycopene, an antioxidant that protects existing collagen from damage. Slice ripe tomatoes and layer them with fresh mozzarella or avocado. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and add basil leaves. This simple snack supports joint health, reduces inflammation, and nourishes tissues from the inside out. 6. Guava yogurt. Power Bowl guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C available. Just 100 grams provides over 200 milligrams, far more than an orange. Chop fresh guava and mix it into plain Greek yogurt. Add honey, lime juice, and chopped nuts. This bowl provides protein, antioxidants, and collagen-supporting nutrients that help restore strength and flexibility. 7. Kiwi Crunch. Snack kiwi is another vitamin C powerhouse that supports collagen production, nerve function, and immune health. Slice fresh kiwi and top with toasted nuts. Add a pinch of sea salt or chili flakes to support circulation. It's simple, refreshing, and effective. 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation in joints and nerves. Combine fresh pineapple chunks with cashews or macadamia nuts. Add cinnamon and mint if desired. This snack supports recovery, flexibility, and overall comfort. These 8 snacks can help your body rebuild collagen naturally and support stronger joints, steadier movement, and reduced tingling. Even adding one of them to your daily routine can make a difference. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. And let me know in the comments, what snack are you going to try first?